I'm going to make a very simple chair. First, I'm going to create a cube. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger and have T on my keyboard. I'm going to add a subdivision text. From here, I'm going to cut it in half. Since I only need to model half of the chair, and I will mirror it to the other side. So next thing in here, I'm going to grab my vertices. I'll go to my front view. I'm going to hit my W key for translate, hit X to snap. And I'm going to snap like that. I'm going to snap there. There's my seat. Looking pretty good. So next thing in here, I'm going to go up, go to my right side to see how high I go. So each of these little squares is about 10 centimeters. So I need about 50 centimeters. So I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in between here, let's just snap it like that. I'm gonna make it here. Alright. So next thing here, let's start building the legs of the chair. I'm going to use the multi-cut tool, and if you hold down Control on your keyboard, I will do a line cut. And cut like that. Go to the top view, see if you get a little bit more even square-like, and hit Form a keyboard. I can see the wireframes. I'm going to grab these vertices. Going to like this. Snap it to the. Okay, I hit Form like 5 on my keyboard to get back to Solid. And right now I'm going to grab this face, and I'm going to hit Extrude. And I'm going to hold X on my keyboard to snap to the bottom. And from here, I'm going to add a little more division. So maybe I want this chair to be, to bend out a little more. So you need more divisions. So like that. And I'm going to make my chair a little bit smaller. Go to the top view. Going to grab these X. So like that. Okay. And next thing in here, I'm going to raise this up. Do the same thing. Extrude. Go to my right view. I'm going to add more divisions, so that will be more, add a little more detail, like that. So like that. Okay, and this is where the back will go. Alright, so next thing here, I'm going to add a little more detail to the legs here. So I'm going to grab these faces. And then if I go into my deform into my lattice, I have a lattice here. And if I go to my lattice points, I could grab these, pull them back like that. So like that, looks pretty nice. A bit too much, I think. A little bit back. Something like that. Even. And go this nice back. It looks pretty good. And put this back like here. I'm gonna leave it like that. I want to do the same thing with this. Grab all the faces there. And I'm going to go to my deform and hit lattice. And do the same thing. Lattice points to the front. So back of the chair. Okay, so to get rid of this lattice, what you want to do is select your chair and go into Edit, Delete History. So now it disappeared. So next thing in here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little more detail to the to this leg here. And go to the right side. I'm going to grab every other face. Oops, keep messing up here. There we go. And this. So like that. And going to right click with the valve. And I could do oops. Actually, I'm not going to go, I'm going to extrude it. Like that. Alright, so next thing here, it looks pretty good. Next thing here, I'm going to mirror the chair. Go to here, options, and it is facing the Z direction. And apply. I want a big chair. Let's make it a little smaller. There we go. And I could do drawing these here. Select this and double clicking, select those edges, and right click and choose bridge. Here we go. I have a very simple chair. It's not the best looking chair, but I use some very basic 3D model techniques here. Alright, thank you for watching and take care. Bye bye.